Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do the cursive B. You will see at the top right here that this is a manuscript B, and then this is the cursive B. To do the cursive B, you're going to begin down here at the bottom line, go up, loop back, go down, undercurve back up to the dotted line, and then put on a check stroke. That's what makes it different than the L, okay? So you really need to make sure that you put on that check stroke. Okay, so watch me do these again. I'm going to go up, loop back, come down, put on the check stroke, loop, go up, loop back, go down, put on the check stroke, go up, loop back, put on the check stroke. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to write some B's. I'm going to start at the starting. You gave me a starting dot. Go up, loop back. Make sure that you are going up to the dotted line, but not above it. I'm going to try this again. All right. Now I want you to pause the video, and I want you to finish out making these B's, and then I want you to go down here and trace and write the B's right underneath them. Okay, we're back now to our banana ballet. That's what this says. A banana ballet. And look, the bananas are doing ballet. I love it. So cute. Okay, so here we go. We're going to join the B and other letters. Notice the check stroke to undercurve joining to join the letter that follows the B. So here I go. I'm going to write the word B, come down, go up, and come back around, just like that. Okay, now I want you to try that down here. Connect the B and the E. Okay, yours should look like mine. Okay, now here we have a B and an I. You're going to go up, loop back, come up, put your check stroke on, put your I, come down, pick up your pencil, and dot your I. Remember that your check stroke is not going to come all the way down to the line. Now you try it. Okay, yours should look like mine. B, I. Now we're going to do a B and an L. Watch me do it. And then you do it. B. Now I'm going to go up to my L. All right, now you try it. Yours should look like mine. Okay, now I'm going to try a B and a U. Notice the check stroke right here goes right into the U. Here's the B, check stroke, U. Okay, you try it. All right, now I'm going to go on to the I and the B. Watch me do it. I. Now I'm going to go up, loop back, come down, and put your check stroke. You just leave your check stroke like that, and then dot your I. Now you try it. And now I'm going to do an E and a B. E, B. Okay, now you try it. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to write some words. This first word is bell. Let me try it up here. B, E, L, L. If you are ever picking up your pencil to form the letters, you are not doing it correctly. Go back and watch me do it again. Here we are, the B, E, L, L. Now your pencil can pick up. Okay, you try it. Okay, now we're going to go on to bill. B, I, L, L. Now I'm going to pick up my pencil when I'm finished with the whole word and go back and dot my I. Now you try it. Okay, the next word we're going to do is tube. T, U, B. Check stroke into my E. Pick up my pencil, go back, and cross my T. Okay, now you try it. Okay, good. Now we're going to do the word web. W, E, B. Put my check stroke on it. Now you try it. Very good. All right, let's read these words together. Here we have the letter B, so it's B, L, bell, B, ill, bill, tube, tube, and W, eb, web. All right, very good, boys and girls.